Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft hoe in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually get a workbench. So you just press tab on your keyboard, you open up the pocket crafting menu, and from this menu click on workbench. Make sure you have 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Go ahead and craft this, and then press F on your workbench. Click on this section to open up the crafting menu, and then I want you to craft a farmer's workbench. So make sure you have 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 20 pieces of plant fiber. Go ahead and craft your farmer's workbench. Then come here, press F, and all you need to do is here in the farming section, make sure you go ahead and click on this one. This is the hoe. You just need 2 pieces of any tree trunk and 1 piece of any stone, and then just click on craft. And as you can see, we have just crafted a hoe. And that is how to craft hoe in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.